Meet Benro NE1, the world's first electronic variable ND filter kit designed for digital cameras. NE1 offers simple, fast operation with one-tap ND switching, delivering sharp, color-neutral results without hassle. ND filters are the most commonly used light control tools among photographers. They cut light evenly, letting you break exposure limits in bright conditions. Use wide apertures for creamy bokeh or slow shutters for silky motion blur. Traditional fixed ND filters make you swap lenses frequently as light varies, which is super tedious. Classic VNDs use stacked lenses too. You have to twist the ring to adjust density, but they're plagued by unavoidable annoying X patterns at higher ND levels, all caused by dual lens interference that's basically impossible to fix. Under certain shooting conditions, reaching out to twist mid-shoot can bump your camera and ruin the shot. The electronic VND filter has redefined light control. Benro NE1 is the pioneer. It switches ND levels via physical buttons, covering ND3 to ND64, covering 4.5 hard stops and 9 levels to handle nearly all outdoor lighting. Its adjustable holder fits 67 to 82 millimeters lenses, and the V-slot lets you snap filters on in seconds. You can control ND levels via the filter's built-in buttons or opt for the NC1 remote for full wireless control. The remote lets you switch ND levels from a distance, which is a game changer for tripod-mounted shoots, low-angle compositions, or when you're working with the camera in hard-to-reach spots. Switch to auto mode on the remote, and its light sensor will automatically adjust the filter's ND level based on real-time ambient light to compensate for lighting changes. When shooting continuously in variable light conditions, Auto ND mode gives you a brand new option. NE1 excels in image quality. It uses advanced single-layer DLC liquid crystal film, which fundamentally eliminates light interference and avoids those annoying X patterns plaguing traditional VNDs. What's more, it maintains a color rendering index above 90 for natural light. It features trusted Corning optical glass, multi-layer nano-coating technology, and an ultra-thin DLC layer, all combining to deliver unbeatable color accuracy and sharpness for the NE1. It's stackable too. Add a fixed ND16 to extend max density to ND1000 for extreme light reduction. The kit also includes starburst, 1/4 black mist, and blue streak filters, unlocking endless creative possibilities. Benro NE1 simplifies and elevates light control for every photographer. One-tap button adjustment, no light interference, wireless remote control, auto ND mode, plus superior color accuracy. All these make NE1 take your light mastery to the next level. Benro NE1, your ultimate tool for effortless pro-level shots.